Versatile set, includes a 9.5-inch by 6.25-inch baking pan, 9.25-inch by 6-inch cooling rack, 11-inch by 7-inch roast/cake pan and a 6-cup muffin pan that fit in most toasters. Great for single-serving smaller kitchens, each piece is the perfect size for individual meals, reheating leftovers, and all pieces Nestle requiring limited storage space. Quality materials, each baking pan is crafted from heavyweight carbon steel for superior heat conduction and even baking, oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-stick coating, makes serving and cleaning easy. Quick, simple cleanup, dishwasher safe but hand wash recommended. Need to throw something in the oven, but don't want to use a large pan? The Chicago Metallic Professional 4-piece non-stick toaster oven set features all the core essentials to create mouth-watering baked goods in less space. This 4-piece set includes a 9.5 by 6.25-inch baking pan, 9.25 by 6-inch cooling rack, 11 by 7-inch roast/cake pan and a 6-cup muffin pan. Made from heavyweight aluminized steel for superior heat conduction and even baking. Easy release, silicone-based, non-stick coating for ease of baking and cleanup. Dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. Oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius, not intended to be used under the broiler. Sharp-edged utensils and knives should not be used. At Chicago Metallic, we believe that serious baking requires serious bakeware. That's why we've been crafting innovative equipment, for professionals and serious home bakers, for over 100 years. We've built a global reputation one kitchen at a time. People know our products are built for durability and can be depended on year after year. We're proud to offer 3 distinct lines of premium bakeware plus stylish, innovative specialty bakeware and baking essentials. The Chicago Metallic Professional line of bakeware makes cooking and baking a delight. The non-stick surface easily releases each recipe and makes cleanup effortless. It's the preferred choice of bakers who understand quality and design, but also want professional-grade durability. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for my family of 2. They're so cute. And so little. I do all of my cooking in either a teeny tiny toaster oven or a larger but still small convection oven, as at most I only ever really cook for 2 people. These are all perfect. I really wish there was a mini muffin option, though I really didn't see any toaster oven sized mini muffin trays in my search, crying face. I was buying disposable cake and brownie pans to cook in and I tried my best to reuse them, but it still felt so wasteful. I snagged all these for under $10 on Prime Day, which is probably what I would have spent on disposables in the next 4 to 6 months. I think it's gonna make a huge difference not just in my budget but in the quality of my cooking, as I can now cook the right things in the right pans. I washed them when I first got them and haven't used them enough yet to say that they're easy to clean, but I will say I saw that non-stick surface in action when I was giving it the wash before integrating them into the cabinet. You literally have nothing to lose for this price. If you cook for 2 or less people and neither one really overeats, then I highly recommend you give them a go.